Hi, it's Anne here from Die Ratsmusiker. I'm just using clear plastic book covering, and I use a permanent marker to do the lines, but a whiteboard marker for day-to-day use. You can also take a page of manuscript and blow it up to poster size, cut it into sections, and then have it laminated.
That's fine, any space you want. Yep. Beautiful. Try the next space up. Perfect, fantastic, that's great.
The students seem to like this next one the best.
That's pretty good.
So just search free manuscript downloads. I like this one by Blitz Books. It's a really good format. And then just save it as PDF is fine. Then open it in Word as a Word document and enable content. And then I'm not very good with this bit, so I fiddle around for the next 45 minutes until I change it to what I want, basically landscape, and get the proportions right, which is really important for manuscript, leaving enough room in between the two sets of 5 lines, so for the notes to fit. So I suggest you save it as a Word document first so that you can go back and refine it if you want to, and also save it as a PDF, because this is the one that you can take to a print shop if you're lucky enough to have access to one, and print up copies and then have them laminated. So why am I doing this? Well, I just think it's important for people to be able to sketch down their musical ideas quickly in a really free fashion, and neatness is not important. This is the sketch of Beethoven's cello sonata.
Messy is fine, messy is good. If Beethoven's messy, we're messy.